Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart Crypto Guide. If you're exploring cryptocurrency, you've likely heard of hot and cold wallets. But what do these terms really mean? Which is more secure, and which is the better option for you? In this video, we'll break down the main differences between hot and cold wallets, including their pros and cons. Let's dive in. Before we compare wallets, let's quickly define what a crypto wallet actually is. A crypto wallet is a tool that lets you store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It holds your private keys, which act like passwords for your crypto assets. If you lose these keys, you could completely lose access to your funds. Choosing the right wallet is crucial. Now, let's take a look at hot wallets. A hot wallet connects to the internet. Examples include apps like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Because they are online, they provide quick access for trading and DeFi activities. Benefits of hot wallets. They are accessible and user-friendly anytime. Ideal for frequent trading and utilizing decentralized applications. Most can be set up quickly and at no cost. However, there are some downsides. Being online makes them vulnerable to hacking, phishing, and malware attacks. If your device or browser is compromised, your wallet faces risks too. Next, let's discuss cold wallets, also known as offline wallets. Cold wallets keep your private keys offline, making them nearly impossible to hack remotely. Common cold wallets include hardware options like Ledger Nano and Trezor. These secure devices store your keys properly. Another version is a paper wallet, which contains your keys on printed paper. Advantages of cold wallets. They offer high security, your private keys are never online. Great for holding your assets over the long term, often called hodling. They resist online threats like phishing and exchange breaches. Drawbacks. They are less practical for daily transactions. Purchasing the hardware is necessary, usually priced between $50 and $150. If you lose the device along with the backup phrase, you could lose access to your funds. Thus, cold wallets work best for those who value security, even if it means reduced convenience. Let's summarize the key differences, step by step. First, internet connectivity. Hot wallets are online, allowing for quick and convenient access. Cold wallets, in contrast, operate offline, ensuring enhanced security. Second, security. Hot wallets offer reasonable protection but can be vulnerable to online threats. Cold wallets provide the highest level of security since their private keys are offline. Third, convenience. Hot wallets are excellent for everyday transactions like buying, selling, or engaging with DeFi platforms. Cold wallets require hardware connection for each transaction. Fourth, ideal use case. Hot wallets are suitable for traders, NFT collectors, or anyone frequently moving cryptocurrencies. Cold wallets fit long-term holders or those with significant crypto reserves requiring infrequent access. Lastly, cost. Hot wallets are typically free applications or browser extensions. Cold wallets, especially hardware versions, cost from $50 to $150, but the added security is invaluable. Your choice should depend on your goals. Are you actively trading? A hot wallet might suit you better. Storing significant wealth in Bitcoin? Select a cold wallet. So, which option aligns with your needs? Many informed investors actually use both. Utilize a hot wallet for smaller amounts and day-to-day transactions. Keep larger amounts safely stored in a cold wallet. This strategy is similar to maintaining a checking account and a safe, each has its function. Diversifying your storage measures helps protect against losses, hacks, or errors. Checkmark. Conclusion 545 to 610. You're now informed about the key differences between hot and cold wallets and how to use them effectively. Remember, closed lock always prioritize security in the cryptocurrency realm. If you found this information helpful, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more smart crypto guide updates. What's your preferred wallet, hot, cold, or a mix of both? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your keys safe.